Last year, I was convinced that I couldn't handle the responsibility of a pet owner. But then I brought a cat into my life, even though he was only with me for a short time before he passed away. His presence left a lasting impact. Devastated, I thought I wouldn't try adopting again. However, not wanting to let his supplies go unused, I gave it another chance and adopted two new cats. To my surprise, caring for them wasn't as difficult as I imagined. It's all about patience, diligence, and time. These cats have given me far more than I could ever give them. Thanks for joining me today to celebrate my feline friends. Cats bring so much joy and comfort into my life, and it's wonderful to appreciate the little things they do. Until next time, give your cats an extra scratch from me, and I hope you found a bit of inspiration in my story.